Yo, yo, testing 1, 2, 3, baby. Hello, hello. I am streaming. Testing. Is it working? Hello. I'm on the stream. Hello, hello. My channel. Live. There we go. We are live. Alright. Okay. So, I now have everything good set up now. So I won't be leaking anything. Awesome, boys. Welcome to the channel. Live stream. First live stream. This is what we're going to do. Look, I got the whole programmer hoodie going. But anyways, so this is going to be part 1 of the learning C programming language. Okay, this isn't really the tutorial. It's just like, so you can see how I go about learning a new language, and maybe you'll, I don't know why somebody watched this, but whatever. It'll be like a video journal. But yeah, it'll be on my channel, and we can see, because I know a lot of people are like, how do you learn languages, and what language should I learn? It's not about that. It's just about learning the fundamentals, and finding out what you need to learn to get it done. But anyways, I now have this chat. I guess you can see the chat. Wish I could hide it, but anyways, I'll check this chat here every once in a while. And yeah, so let me get me out the screen. I was gonna do it without a webcam, but I'm gonna have my webcam super small, like right here, I guess. And then there's this language, learn C website right here, learnc-org. And then okay, I'll get this out the screen so I don't see myself. And so yeah, this is what I'm gonna be learning. I'm gonna go ahead and bookmark it. I already got uBlock going, and we are gonna get to programming and just spending time in front of the computer. I don't know how long this will be, probably about an hour, maybe 45 minutes, but let's get to it. So if you have any questions, just hit up the chat. How do I dock this? I would like to dock this. Anyways, I'll check here every once in a while, see if anybody said anything. And then, so what I currently have set up now, let's get out of here. CLS. So I got a new directory. We're in Windows. If a newbie watches this, you'll be able to see what's going on. I don't know who watches my videos. I know a lot of programmer watches it. So anyways, we're gonna be learning C. This is judgment free zone, bro, so whatever. So we have a new directory. I'm gonna go ahead and delete all this, so we'll start fresh. It'll be like a vlog for me to look back on, and I don't know, just for me. I thought, why not live stream it, because I'm gonna learn it anyways. CLS for clear. Let's go ahead and do Vim. I got Vim installed. I don't know what that did. Let's try to search up the version. Let's get directory, just shows what's in the dir. Usually I use ls, but we don't have ls. It's not Linux. Yeah, I deleted everything. New folder. We're good. So let's go ahead and do the hello world, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and start from fresh. It'll be awesome. Boom. Yeah, so that works. Yeah, let's get to it. Get out of here. Boom. So we're gonna and start testing. No, we need a good name for this. Let's call it CC. No, I don't know, I'll just do learning. No, let's just call it C. C.C. yeah, let's do that. C.C. So okay. So I know C++, so let's go ahead and do this. It's majorly the same, but without the plus plus. That include stdio.h. String 0. Okay. So we're gonna write our first program. I'll zoom in so you guys can see. We use libraries, printf, typical thing, which is in the stdio library. So return 0. So let's go ahead and do a hello world. So program. I don't know why it adds comments. Don't like that. Okay. Def hello world. Let's go ahead and run it. Boom. We did it, boys. We did it. First episode done. So let's go to the next one. So in this video, I'm going to try to learn make too. I need to learn make because I don't want to have to type the compiler CL. So like I don't want to have to keep typing CL, and then when you type CL, it creates a .c object file and an .exe file. And this is just one of those things with C, because in C++ you just compile it and it creates a .out file or whatever, and you just run it. But here it's kind of different. It always creates an object file. So if we go to C compiling, what is this, comping? No, C compiling process. So you see, you got the source, and then what is this? Geeks for Geeks, yeah. I, S, and O. We don't ever see the S file unless it's hidden. No, we don't have the. I think I'm showing hidden files. View. Windows 11 is so different. Hidden files. And we'll just do. There, that's all. What is this? ls-h. I don't know. Well, I know for sure we have the object in the. So we're not using GCC. We're using the Microsoft compiler. So let's see. Yeah, this is a compiler I'm using in this case because it's like super old. Because it'll be useful for me. CL, but usually you can just most people just use G++, or I think GCC-S version. Yeah, I have GCC installed too, but I'm not using it. This is another compiler. Let's see. All right, let's get to programming. Let's get to going. Enough about this compiler talk. But anyways, you do object file, and then so like you have your source code, compiler, assembler, assembly language, linker, and then typical things. Just C is like low level, but yeah. Anyways, let's continue. So I need to learn make. I do have make installed, so make. Yeah, I set it up earlier. So I guess we can make a make file, but one thing at a time. Let's do. I don't know if you have to do vim make.make. I don't know. But this is why we're here. We're learning. Hello, Mr. 11. Hello. Let's go, baby. Live stream. I always see other people live stream. I'm like, man, I got a live stream, and so here we are. Yeah, let's do some math. I still didn't finish the math. Let's do some math in there. So we have our hello world. Let's see if we can do a typical, A plus and minus. So let's do printf. Enter digit 1. And and then we need to take input. How do we take input? Let's see. Scanf. So let's do scanf %d data type, I believe. Does it explain what percent? Yeah, I've got %s here. That's string, I guess. Let's see. C language %d explained. Okay, what do we have here? %d is what? What is %d? I know it's either data type, but what format? Let's go back. Base 10. See, this is one of those things I always skip over whenever I never sit there and actually understand it. So decimal value. Okay, what are we doing here? We're doing here A, decimal format, octal format, hexadecimal. So I guess it's just different types of formats for the. I don't know when this is useful or how you know it, I guess. So let's just use it now. %d, I know is for digit for sure, or at least 10, base 10, I guess. I guess that's what it says. Let's see. Scanf %, we need to declare, we need to store this digit 1, so 1. Let's declare it to 0, because I know it's always good to declare variables, especially in C, because I know like in C++ you can come around with problems. So we're going to scan %d, okay, and we're going to store it in digit 1, and we need a comma. Okay, now we are going to copy this. Oh, what's going on here? Oh. Anyways, I'm still learning Vim. I was like, why not learn Vim while I'm doing this too? Vim's good, but I don't know how to copy. I usually use gvim, so. Digit 2. Let's see. And then we're going to scan f %d digit 2. And then we're going to print f. Can we do math functions? Oh, I guess they just I guess we'll just add in this case. So we'll go int sum is equal to digit 1 plus digit 2. And we're just going to output the sum. Printf sum. Can we do this? Or do we have to do printf %d sum? See if this works. Compile. CL. Let's just use clc.c. What do we have? Scanf format %d requires an argument int. Okay, we're doing something wrong. What do we have here? I might be a noob. I am a noob. Let's see what we got. Digit 1, digit, and okay, we're scanning. Need to use scan. Where's scanf? Let's get rid of some of these tabs. Oh, we got to add a and sign. So the and sign is a reference to a pointer, I believe. Reference to that can we search this and see? Yeah, reference to the address. Reference the address. Ampersand. Somebody explained it here. What do we have? Turn to a value with pointer. Yeah, we're pointing to the value, like the address. The reference. So we're referenced by pointer reference. Okay, these people are confusing me. But anyways, we're just referencing it. So I guess you gotta reference it in C instead of just calling it. Let's go ahead and do that for all. And let's go to CL. Give them that. What's going on here? Oh, I'm stupid. There we go. Requires your argument. Print F. We have something wrong again. What do we have? What do we have? F. As you can see, we are learning a lot just by doing a addition. See, it's you see, but anyways, let's see. We gotta get this work. We gotta get this working. Let's do a new line. Let's make it pretty. Enter the digit. We don't need a new line here. We're gonna scan. Enter digit 2. Let's ask for this on the new line. Then we're gonna put this on the new line. Okay. Now, something is going wrong with our printf. What is it here? Let's see. clc.c. What do we have? Okay. I need to see, this is why I want to make file so I can remove this header. So like in CL, if you do no logo and then c.c, it will remove this this header, this Microsoft. So if we press enter, see, it'll just tell you that what's wrong, and we can set this up through a make file, which I need to figure out how to do. Yeah, but one step at a time. I want to at least get this addition going before, you know, at least get something good on this live stream. And these live streams will be posted on my YouTube, so like, yeah, I mean, if you want to go back and watch. But yeah, let's continue. So requires an argument type int, but has a pointer int. Maybe it's because we're calling the sum, so the sum would just store it. So this sum here, I don't think, because we're not referencing, we just call, we're not actually like referencing the actual thing. We're not putting anything there. So let's see. Boom, guys, got it. So let's run C. Digit 1, 100. Digit 2, 200. Some of the digits are 300. Let's go, baby. First C program. Woo. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Got my coffee. Okay, let's continue. CLS. So now that we have a typical input output, I know there's no booleans. I was reading that. No booleans in C. There's just 1 and 2. Like, people just say 1 and 2. So you could do all that, whatever. Next tutorial, let's see. Arrays. mem.c.c. So now that we have this, let's go ahead and make some notes. Whoa. So if we're gonna do user input, can we do comments like this? Oh, we can. Yes. Love this. Okay, how do we copy and paste it? I know you can press P for paste, but how do you copy? What do we have? What do we have? Yank. Yes, Y, I forgot. So let's yank this. No. Yank. And then we're gonna press P here. Boom. So this is user input. Enter digit. We scan the D. And we need to let's yank this here. Or no, yank digit 2. We're learning, guys. We are learning. So boom. If anybody wants to know how to do user input, this is how you do it. Store the value. Tell them to enter it. And then assign the value here. You have to assign it with the and symbol. So let's get rid of all this. So I know if you press D, it press delete. Okay. Let's save. Alright. Let's see how far we can get in this. How do I get out of here? See how far we can get in. What chapter are we on? Yeah, we're on number 3. Anyway, let's do some arrays. We'll probably do arrays, yeah. And then multi. I don't know about multi. We'll see. Because I had trouble just on the first one. So arrays are special. Because I know in C there is no dynamic allocation for the arrays. Like, I think you have to use malloc to dynamically allocate arrays, but that's in the future. Let's just go ahead and make a simple array. So int array of 10. Okay. And you can assign arrays by, so the array index 0 equal to 100. Okay. I think this is the same as in C++, but we're going to go ahead and try it out. And we're going to print F 0 index 0 is %d, comma, and we're going to call it. So what do we call it? We don't need the, since we're calling it, we're just looking at it, we don't need the and symbol, so we're going to do array of 0. Okay. This should work. We're going to compile CL. Boom, and then we're going to run C. Boom, it works, guys. C.C, and we're going to get. So that's array allocation. Well, that was pretty easy. Let's go to 2D arrays. And this is good stuff for interview problems. So like, you know, just going through this like this, guys, it's really good. How do I see? Anyways, let's do some 2D arrays. Because I know it's called generals or whatever. Let's see. What's that website called? The programming website. Competitive programming. Code Forces. It's called generals. It's like a 2D array. Yeah, guys, look. If you want to practice your 2D array manipulation right here, this problem is so good. You can swap. The first time I solved this, like, it might seem hard if you're like a noob, but if you sit there and like actually try to figure it out, it is so satisfying if you can fix this. But yeah, this is a good problem. Side note, look, I'll paste it in the chat. Go check out that problem. Yeah, that one gives you a good understanding of 2D arrays. Anyways, let's continue. Let's see, we got. Okay, what am I doing? Okay, Yeah, 2D's array in C. Let's do this. So if we do, I like to think of 2D arrays as like, let's just call it 2D. Int 2D 10 by 10. Okay. The 2D array 10 by 10. And this is just typical old C++ or C. So 3, 4 would be, so this is a column. What's going on here? I really do not like the Windows 10 noise. So this would be column and then row. So this is how you remember it. So 10 columns, 10 rows. And let's just go ahead and do a for loop. I'm sure I think in C, the older version of C, you have to declare the I variable before. We'll go through for and the J. I think 1, we'll do 1. No, let's do 0. Let's see how it goes. For I is less than 10, since we're starting at 0. Yeah, I think that's right. I plus, and we're gonna go through and do it again for J 10, J plus. Doing the curly braces just for ooh, you know, it'd be nice if I have a GitHub account. Just start posting all this to save, pull later. Let's go ahead and print F. So we're getting complex here. What is this? 2n O to the O of n. No, O of n squared. This loop. It's O of n squared, boys. If you didn't know that, study up for your LeetCode. So I just want to output. So we didn't even fill the arrays. I guess we need to fill the arrays first and then output them. But they all should be 0. I wonder, does it automatically fill the array if we declare it? XY. Will it be undefined? Does anybody know? No, nobody knows. Let's see. Accessing to array. Declare. Let's ask. See, look, when you don't know, oh, the shortcuts I'm using on. So guys, look, this is a game changer. So you know how you have your notes open, you pull up your program, you pull up a web browser. Control T will open a new tab, okay? And if you press Control W, it will close the current tab that you're on. So this is very useful. So like you just click in here, Control T, anybody blah blah blah, you know, enter it, and then you're done. Control W, save you a lot of times. It'll compile like over the years. Anyways, what are arrays initialized default in C? Default value is 0, boys. Yeah, so let's just see if we can output all the zeros in 2D array. So printf, and we're gonna do you know what? Since we're in the C, I can't just do typical like C out the two things. It won't work. So let's see how we do this. How to print 2D. Let's see. Okay. Whatever, good size. Ha. What's percent %C? Oh, that's char. Okay, this guy's going I and J. And he's outputting through the grid through I and J, so we'll do percent %D. Because we just have integers. Let's do space. 2D I and J. Okay, this should work. And let's do a new line. No new line. Let's do right quit. CLC.C. What do we have? Missing a colon. Okay, we're missing something here. Okay, we made a 2D array here. 2D array. We have our oh, this is a problem. Okay, this is a problem. I used a comma instead of a colon. Okay, what do we have? Not enough arguments are passed for printf. So let's see. This is a help. Okay, IJ. Oh, what's going on here? Let's do a matrix. Just another word for 2D array. I want to print them like this, yeah. This is how I want to print them. Matrix row columns. Percent %D. Okay. And IJ. Okay, this guy's declaring. No, he has a row here. Columns equal 0. For I, it should be same thing. Let's just do it anyways. Equals 0. Okay, listen to columns. Columns plus plus, I plus plus. Printf. Okay. Percent %D. Call it 2D array. Column. Boom. What's going on here? Okay, something's going on here. Let's see. I think this will be the last problem we solve before the end of the stream, because this is the first one and I wanted just to see how it went and, you know, how I'm going to run things. But let's see. Why is this not working? Error. Bad suffix on number. Oh. Apparently you cannot start with a 2D. You can't start it with a number. I didn't know that. Let's try this now. Huh. It works, so let's do C. Okay, what am I looking at here? Let's I think it's showing us the it's not, it didn't automatically put it to 0 or fill in to 0. So let's go ahead and yank this, and we're gonna paste it here, and we're gonna go ahead and fill this. So I'm going to do array 2D I j is equal to 0. We're going to fill it. And then we're going to output C. And we need to compile. Okay, and then we need to just type in C. Huh, it works, boys. Let's go. Let's go ahead and make it look prettier. Let's do a new line, I think. After each 10, it needs to go to a new line, and then each 10 again. So let's do printf new line symbol. Usually I would just see out in line on C++, but you know what? Is there a quicker way to do that? See. Guess there's no like specific way. Yeah, because in C++, if you type like C out and L, it'll show a new line, but I guess we have to do print new line here. Let's go ahead and right quit, compile, clear the screen, and we're going to do C. Let's go, baby. So we got 10, array of 10, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 array in C. And it's about the same. It's just you output the data and then you go through, you traverse it. So you can't just, yeah, so that's how you do it in C. Now my question is, can we make matrix art? I'll probably stream for about, let's see, I'm gonna end stream pretty soon. But we're gonna see what we can do here. I wanna make a matrix art. So let's do like an X. Let's just search that up. Matrix art. What is this? Okay, so if we're gonna do, let's see. So let's just do one line. So every, we can get fancy with this matrix stuff. So I know there's a couple programming questions that ask for matrix art. So if we do Code forces. I don't know, but there's some questions on like programming questions that I've seen where I'll show you an example. So like if we only wanted, say we have a 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5, a 5 by 5, so 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5, is that 5? 1 2 3, one more. So you have a 5 by 5 array. I've seen some questions. Let's get rid of this. I've seen some questions where the question would be like, yeah, traverse array and make an X. So, oh my goodness. So they want you to make an X on the array. Like this. Just by traversing it. And I don't remember how to do it. I'm sure you just look at the indexes. This is what I want to do. So create task. So this is what we want to do. I gotta finish my comment. There we go. So I don't know about, so like when we're done with this array, I don't know if it flushes the memory. Oh, like, cause I know in C it doesn't have a garbage collector. See, it doesn't have a garbage collector, so you have to keep track of where your memory is. And I don't want to mess with too much of this. I want to understand it, but see, like, I know about it, but if you don't know about it, you can lose a lot of memory. But yeah, we'll get into it. This guy's writing a garbage collector, see? But yeah, this is the first episode of our C programming live stream. You know, this is just a quick thing. Whenever I have time, I'll just open it up and we'll just continue learning C. It's be useful for anybody. You know, if you're learning along, the website again is learnc.org. We've gone through, what have we gone through? Multi-dimensional. So we've done 4 chapters today, and we learned a lot of new things. I do want to set up make. So like, compiler. So like make will go ahead and automatically compile. So like instead of us going through here, so like let's get out of here. Instead of going through here and typing like CL C.C or CL like no logo C.C, you just type make and it'll automatically change all the files. And like even your object files. So like here we have our object files here, like the XE object. And instead of compiling everything, it'll only change what needs to be changed. So yeah, we'll set up make in the next video, and we'll continue our matrix manipulation, boys. Yeah, so thanks for watching. This is episode 1. I know it was kind of short, first live stream, but yeah, boys, we're gonna learn C. And if you have any tips or things you want to see in the next live stream, comment down below for sure. And if you're here live, just comment things, whatever we can research. This is just like a learning. Oh, we've been live for 45 minutes. So yeah. But yeah, I mean, most videos I see, it's just people, building the thing. Here's what I built after math. This is what I'm gonna do. This is what I've done. And you don't see the 45 minutes of learning. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, peace out, boys. Yeah, part 2.